Hello and welcome. Today, you will be learning to build your first automation project in Power Automate Desktop in the lecture. To start with this, we will create a flow in Power Automate Desktop that displays a Hello World message to run in a message box upon execution. So let's begin. Open Power Automate and click the New Flow button to create a flow. Name it Hello World, click the Create button to create the flow, and wait for the workspace to appear. Now, navigate to the Actions pane and scroll down to find the Message Boxes category. Open the category to find the Display Message action. You can also find this action by going to the Search Actions text box and typing Display Message. Now, the action will come up along with its category, and you can double-click this action or drag and drop it in the Workspace window to open it. Drag and drop this activity into the workspace. A window will open to configure this action. In the message box title, you can write the name of the message box. Let's name it My First Flow. Okay? You can also hover your mouse over the information icon next to the field to find out more about it. I hope you've understood me so far. In the Message to Display field, you can write the message to display in the message box. Let's write Hello World here. In the message box icon, you can choose the icon to display with the message box. Let's choose the information icon from the drop-down, okay? In the Message Box Buttons field, you can specify the buttons to display on the message box. Let's keep the default value, which is OK. In the Default Button field, you can specify the button that should be highlighted when the message box appears on the screen. The highlighted button will be clicked if you press Enter on your keyboard instead of clicking the button using the mouse. Well, in our case, we have chosen only one button from the Message Box Buttons field for our message box, which is OK. So, to highlight this button when the message box appears, keep the value of the default button field as First Button. The next setting, Keep Message Box Always on Top, allows you to display the message box on top of all the Windows Open applications. Let's enable this setting. The Close Message Box Automatically setting allows you to set a timer, after which the message box will close automatically. Let's keep the default setting for now. After setting up the Display Message action, click Save to save the changes. Now click the Save button to save the flow, and you can also use the standard shortcut Ctrl+S to save the flow. Now click the Run button to run the flow. A message box appeared on the screen. It contains the title, icon, message, and button. You can also notice that the OK button is highlighted with a blue border. And congratulations! You successfully created your first flow in Power Automate Desktop. You can now click OK or press Enter on your keyboard to close the message box. Click OK. This was your first automation project in PAD.
Now, if you want to automate your work and build a real automation career, I recommend you checking out this course on Udemy. It teaches Power Automate Desktop and real workflows which you will actually use on your job. Plus, get interview preparations with trending Q&A, which help you land your dream automation job. I have put the link of the course in the description. Make sure to check it out.